Hey y'all, you see by the title, this is a small business unboxing. It's a local small business. It's a business that's in my state. It is the Right Glitters. I found them on Etsy. She's very nice, and I love that right there. If you see the forgot what it's called, but it said "Made with Love." Okay, so here are the colors, you guys. Also, I'm gonna show you what I did with the glitters as well. So this one's really pretty. You got that watermelon, so pretty. But when I use these things, I really would name them. And we got that pretty pink one. That's bubble gum. You got that cherry. It's like a little darker red than a bright red. And that one right there, oh my gosh, that one glows in the dark, you guys. It glows pink. It's so pretty. Like the camera is doing no justice at all. And I got a little extra. That's really cute. And she gave me a little thank you card and some candy. It's so cute. You guys can stop and read if you want to. XOXO Chelsea. I will leave her Etsy in the description box and in the comment section as well. But you see all her stuff on there. At her website, TikTok, Instagram. So this was I got these back in November. But yeah, those candies right there, she gave me 3 of those. She gave me grape, I think strawberry and peach. They were so bomb. The little bitty hand candies, they're really good. I'm just showing you guys what they look like. And that right there I gave to my boyfriend. It's a banana flavored one. I wanted to taste it, but he forgot about me, so I didn't get to taste it. But I heard it was good. All right, see anything else is in there? They got the other candy, the strawberry one. It's called Castle Candy or something like that. I couldn't really see what it was, but I'm gonna show everything I got, you guys. I got the letter. I got the 4 pieces of candy. I got the extra glitter. And the 4 glitters that I bought. Okay, so in the next part of this video, you guys, I'm about to show you how long the pink candy, how long the glow lasts for. So I did speed the video up quite a bit. So I sped it up to make it a minute short, you guys, but it's like really 8 minutes, like in real time. But I must let you guys watch this if you want to, and I will come back after this part. Okay, but towards the end of that, my phone died, so that was the end of that. But it kept going for a while. So that's the pink candy. That's the glow in the dark one. I'm gonna show you guys these glitters, and the glitters are gonna be in the bright light, and then with just the flashlight, with the, dark in the background. I did my best, y'all. I really tried. Oh, but you can see that is so pretty. Like, this color is doing no justice, y'all. And the blue you see on it, like every here and there, like so and there, whatever. Oh my gosh, let's look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. And this one right here, this one, I like this one a lot. It's called Bubblegum. It's like a really, really pretty hot pink. And if you know me, I'm not a pink girl, but I really like these colors. If I was going to do something with them. So you got that one. And then you got the pretty one, watermelon. So I did not use all the glitters for what I was using them for. I used some of them, as you'll see like later in the video. But this one right here, this one, the camera like is doing no justice, y'all. It's like so pretty. I think I focused on this one the longest. The pink is just, oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. It's just so pretty. It's like pink with silver in it, I believe. That's what it looks like to me. It's like a couple of shades of light pink with some silver glitter in it. Now this one right here is the cherry one. That one is, it's like a darker red. It's not like a Christmas red. It's more like a dark Valentine's red. Cause you know there's like different colors of red for Valentine's. You got that lighter red and the darker red, but that's more on the darker side. More like I don't know. That's really pretty. I'm telling you, the camera's doing no justice. And this is the extra one she sent me, and it's called Surprise. It's Surprise. Glad I know I was gonna get it. This one's very, very pretty, y'all. It's green, golds, and blacks in it. Super pretty. I might do some resin work with that or something. And then just showing you again in different lights, you guys. Camera do no justice. Okay, so for this next part you're about to watch, it's super short. I was trying to show you guys when I put the monomer on it, or resin, or nail polish, or anything, gel polish, the glitter changed colors and it turns like a dark blue, you guys. So that can't be fixed. I don't know what to do.